I spent the day making dearest Kathleen's birthday gift, which is early, but I took an old hard drive of mine, a dead hard drive for my first computer, and turned it into a clock. An analog clock, an alarm clock. One of the platters, a couple extra goodies like gears from something else. I save little odds and ends for projects in case it might look good or something. I use the circuit board as a stando. Runs on AA's. Set it as an alarm. 200 gig alarm clock. I wonder if people would buy these. I am quite disheveled. As you see, it's 5:40 a.m. Anyway, there you are. I enjoyed it. It's a lot of fun to make. It's kind of smudgy. I gotta clean it still.